This is all the materials that we bought for building the workshop. This is everything stored. The RV, the car. Yesterday we were able to dig out some of the holes with the auger. In the soft areas that worked fine, but there are some hard places where the dirt is really hard and dry, like this one, and the auger could not get through. So today we have to dig out, break it down with this impact driver. Now he's breaking down the dirt into small chunks and then digging it out with the shovel. So this is our first pole that we based everything off of, and this is how we managed to line everything up onto this corner here. That's why the lines are on the outside corners, and the other 3 corner poles have these kind of lines aligning them. See, we saw this on another YouTube video, and this makes it much easier than how we were doing it previously at my friend's house. So you can adjust them as needed to be where they need to be. Like, see this one, this was put kind of off from the hole, and the line had to be moved all the way to the edge of it. But that makes it easy that if you only had one pole and you tie the line to the pole, you'd have to move the line or the stake multiple times to get it right. But having it like as an H-beam like this makes it super easy to make adjustments. Before we proceed any further, I wanted to put on the video how this looks like without the metal. So we're going to do just half up to here. We have 2 more beams that we're not going to do today, but we have prepared everything for the metal to be placed on half of the roof today, because these beams have non-treated wood components, so we want them out of the rain as quick as possible. We have been lucky yesterday, there was no rain. But here in Houston it can rain anytime. So today we have put the beams, we have put the strips, the endings on top of the edge of the beams there. And now we're going to come with metal, and if we have more time, we're going to continue to the second side, second half of it with the beams and whatever we can do. But we're moving pretty quickly, better than expected I think. And we have plenty of time.
Marcus, what do you have here and what are you doing?
In order to get to the chassis welding, I need a water cooler for the TIG welder. And I didn't want to buy a water cooler because it's $400, but I wanted to practice some welding by myself. So I bought this radiator, and also the water cooler usually, or whomever looked into them, they have 110 motors and they are very noisy, and I wanted to keep it quiet. So this is a radiator from some car, and it cost us $60, and I welded this lightweight frame, which is my first welding project. And I put a little pump here. This is one like a recirculating pump for cars, for like the refrigerant or coolant in the car. I have a little button here, and now I'm trying to get rid of all the bubbles in the system to see the water coming out. And come here. I got rid of some bubbles. So this is the water coming out, no pump, and this is the pump tunnel. And I have a adjuster to adjust the flow of water. But I think there's still many bubbles in this system, so I have to play with it for a while. Oh yeah, that's kind of it. Oh, I bought big connects for the TIG welder. This one here and the other one here. And that's kind of it. All good?
Yeah. Yeah, this is where the heat comes out. I can still put my finger in there.